Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Together. I'm your host. I'm excited you're here today. Before we start, take a deep breath with me. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Learning English is a journey. Some days feel easy. Other days feel hard. That's perfectly normal. You are brave for choosing to improve your English. That takes real courage. I respect you. Today will be fun and helpful. Get comfortable. Maybe grab some tea. Let's learn together. Have you ever wanted to speak English confidently, but didn't know where to start? You're not alone. I remember when I first started learning English. I was so nervous to speak properly. I would practice conversations in my head for hours. Then I'd say just one sentence out loud. Today we learn simple, powerful ways to speak English well. These steps work for everyone. Speaking good English takes time and practice. Anyone can do it with the right methods. Ready? Let's start this journey together. Your speaking skills will improve starting right now. First, let's talk about vocabulary. Begin with easy words you use every single day. Learn words for home, food, family, and work. These are most important for daily conversations. Practice saying these words clearly every day. Say each word 10 times out loud carefully. Let's try one together. Say this with me. Hello. My name is... Good job. Simple words help you build confidence quickly. Confidence helps you speak more and improve faster. Next, let's focus on your ears. Listen to English every single day without fail. Movies, songs, and podcasts help your ears. They learn natural English sounds and rhythms. Start with easy content like children's shows. Then move to harder things when ready. Copy what you hear exactly. Repeat sentences many times until they sound natural. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Perfect. Keep that energy. Your ears need practice too. Good listening makes good speaking. They work together perfectly. Now here's something that might sound funny, but it really works for everyone. Talk to yourself every day at home. This is safe practice. No one hears mistakes. Describe what you see around you. I see a red car. The sky is blue. Tell yourself about your day. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I feel happy. Try this with me now. I am learning English. I am getting better every day. Practice for 10 minutes daily. Set a timer. Do not stop talking until time ends. Moving on to our next tip. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Then listen to your own voice carefully. You will hear your mistakes very clearly. This helps you know exactly what needs more work. Focus on those problem areas. Record the same text every week. Compare old recordings to new ones you make. You will be surprised how much you improve. Keep your very best recordings forever. Ding! That's the sound of progress. Every recording is a step forward. Now let's talk about finding real people. You need practice partners every single week. Look for people online who want to practice English. Many people need practice partners. Video chat with English speakers from different countries. They help fix your speaking mistakes. Join English conversation groups online. Talk with many different people every week. Do not be shy about your level. Everyone starts somewhere. People want to help. Pause for a sip of coffee here. Think about who you could practice with. Here's something very important. Speak smoothly, even if you make grammar mistakes sometimes. Fluency is more important than perfect grammar rules. Keep talking without stopping to think. Do not stop to think about grammar. Keep talking even when you make errors. Native speakers make mistakes too. They focus on sharing ideas, not perfect grammar. Say this with me. I speak smoothly. Mistakes are okay. Communication is most important. Smooth talking comes first. Perfect grammar comes later. Work on flowing speech before rules. Next, let's discuss phrases. Memorize useful phrases like, "How are you?" and "What do you think?" These phrases make conversations much easier. You do not create every sentence from nothing. Practice phrases until they become completely automatic. Say them without thinking about words. Repeat after me. How are you today? And what do you think about this? Build a collection of your favorite phrases. Use them in real conversations with people. Now, let's make it practical. Practice ordering food at restaurants every chance you get. Say, "I would like chicken, please," many times. Practice until it sounds very natural. Practice asking for directions. Where is the bank? Or how do I get there? Practice introducing yourself to new people. My name is and I am from repeatedly. Try this introduction with me. Hello, my name is. Nice to meet you. Real practice is better than book practice. Use English in real life often. Here's the most important lesson. Do not be afraid of mistakes when speaking English. Everyone makes them when learning new languages. This is completely normal for everyone learning. Mistakes help you learn what is wrong. Then you can fix it and improve. Native speakers will understand you even with mistakes. Communication is more important than perfection. Say this with me. Mistakes help me learn. I am not afraid to speak. Each mistake makes you stronger. Be brave and keep speaking even when you mess up. Let's talk about time now. Learning to speak well takes months or years. Do not expect fast results in just weeks. Real improvement takes time and patience. Practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Every day is better than long sessions. Celebrate small wins every week. Did you speak longer today? That is great progress. Some days feel hard. That is normal. Keep practicing anyway without giving up completely. Ding! Remember, patience is your friend. Trust the process and keep going forward. Finally, let's discuss helpful tools. Download English learning apps on your phone for practice. Watch English YouTube videos with subtitles. This helps you see and hear words together. Use voice recording apps to practice pronunciation. Technology makes learning easier and more fun. Find online English teachers if you can. They give personal help with your problems. Technology is your friend. Use it every day to support your English learning journey. Let me quickly recap our main tips. Ding! Here are the key points. Start with simple, everyday words. Listen to English every single day. Talk to yourself for safe practice. Record your voice to hear progress. Find speaking partners online. Focus on smooth talking, not perfect grammar. Learn useful phrases by heart practice real-life situations. Make mistakes without fear. Be patient with yourself. Use technology to help you learn. Remember, everyone can learn to speak English well. Daily practice and patience are key. Use these methods every day. Mix different activities to keep your practice interesting. Do not give up when it feels difficult. Every expert speaker was once a beginner. Remember, your voice matters. Every word you speak in English is a step forward. I believe in you. Keep speaking, keep growing. I can't wait to see how far you'll go. Thank you for listening today. Start practicing right now. You can speak English well too.